Hello and welcome back to another video on this channel. In this video we will discuss how to update YouTube Shorts thumbnail using your mobile phone, right? So many a times we can do a lot using our mobile phones, so we'll see how to update that. Now you can update YouTube Shorts thumbnail during the process of uploading, but suppose you have already uploaded the video on YouTube already, then how to change the thumbnail if you are not satisfied with the thumbnail. So there are two apps we normally use. One is the YouTube Studio and the other is the regular YouTube app. Now in order to change your YouTube Shorts video thumbnails, you cannot use YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio doesn't allow you to change your there's no option. What I mean, I'll just show you. I have opened my YouTube Studio. I'll tap on content, then I'll go to shorts and I'll tap on this, edit, and as you can see, I don't have anything here that allows me to change the YouTube thumbnail, and even in this area there's nothing that allows me to change the thumbnail. So you cannot do this using your YouTube Studio. What you have to use is the YouTube app, the regular YouTube app. So open the YouTube app and tap on your profile, which is at the bottom right now. Tap on that and tap on your videos, and then go to shorts, right? And then tap on any of these videos, like tap on the three dots, right? You can tap on any of these three dots, right, for example, and then tap on edit. So here we have the pencil icon, which allows us to change the YouTube Shorts video thumbnail. Okay, but the catch is that you cannot upload a separate file. You have to choose from one of the auto-generated options here. Okay, so you cannot upload your own external file. The best practice would be to include the thumbnail when you're editing the video, so that the thumbnail also is generated here. So these are the options that I have. So you have to select from any of these videos, snapshots from the video, and then you can change the YouTube Shorts thumbnail. Okay, so the catch is that you cannot upload a separate file for the thumbnail. YouTube doesn't allow that in the mobile app. So that's all I wanted to show you. So if you want to update your YouTube Shorts thumbnail using your mobile phone, you have to use the YouTube app, the regular YouTube app, and not YouTube Studio. Tap on edit and just tap on the pencil icon, right? And as I've mentioned, you can only choose from the auto-generated thumbnails. So that's all in this video that I want to share. Thank you. Bye-bye.